Hey guys, it's me, Hannah. I'm gonna change that right here. Okay, so you might not know me because I have glasses, and this video is gonna be about did you remember the video? And we're gonna play. Yo, you know why we were gone? We were at a trip to the to the bear cabin, and we're gonna play Grow Old and Die. No, don't worry about it. Yeah. No, you have to go. Stop. Old and die. You have to stop. Grow old and die games. Go to game. Yep. I think it's this one, guys. You're gonna be the only one in this game. What? How many? Wow. Me too? No! Imagine you just going to the picture area, and guess what? It's gonna happen. Guess what? Something is gonna glitch you into leaping. You know what? We're just no. Karabarabura. Gambabwaba. So what we were doing, we count first. Oh, and I will show you this rock that I found. It means that your honesty, your protection, and I don't know what else. It means your honesty, your protection, and your trust. Yeah, it's trust, I think. Oh, and we saw a deer that Ryoko really likes, and you might don't know her. She's my friend. Ryoko, that's her favorite deer, and we named him Fredison the First. Gave him some apples. And we gave him some apples, but that they eat. And then it was really windy, so then he ran away. Plus there was an onion, so maybe that's why he ran away. And then he went to another house. So we played with our dogs a little. But they're not good. We had to stay in his cage for the whole entire 4 days. Oh. Stop. Can you stop? You know what? I'm just gonna. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, I don't care. Oh, so we went in the snow, which I really did not like. I liked it. Got really nice. And like, I keep flipping. I keep slipping on my butt. On my butt. I don't remember what else I did. So that's it for my video. And